Lindabradley from Princess House. So today I'm going to make a super easy homemade ranch dressing. So instead of spending the money and buying the ones in the store that are all full of chemicals, read the labels, I'm going to teach you a super easy way. And I use my blender for a lot of mixing. This is only a small service. You can even double it, but this is how easy this is, and I'll give you the recipe below. So this is half of a cup of whole milk yogurt. You can buy low fat if you prefer. It is 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, and again, you can use avocado mayonnaise, you can use olive oil mayonnaise, whatever you want. And then it's 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. All right, you're just going to mix that in your blender, and then the spices come in. And these are what the spices are. So this is a 1/2 teaspoon of dill, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And that's it. This will last in your refrigerator for about a week. And then of course you can put it into our cute little cruets if you'd like. But I'm going to, I always get this wrong how I put it on. Let's see if I can do it correctly today. Yay, I finally read the instructions. There's a little arrow that you're supposed to use. I never knew that. And now I'm gonna blend it up. Just give it a minute, you'll hear it. Now, because this is such a small amount, I should have probably doubled it for the blender. I'm just gonna take some of the spices and mix them down the sides, because you can see that a couple of them just didn't get all the way through. You can make as much as you want, but just remember it only keeps for about a week, so you don't wanna waste it. You do wanna try to find a yogurt that is thick. If you find the ones that are runny, it doesn't do so well with this. But this is a great recipe for either dressing on your salad, right? Just your ranch dressing. Hold on. Or it's a great way to get your kids to eat their vegetables, because I always do this with celery, carrot sticks, cucumbers. It's a great way. So now you have your homemade. Yes. This is kind of perfect. I would double it maybe next time. The cruets are kind of cool because they have little, I know it's hard for you to see, but they have like an on-off, how can I put this? There's an on-off, I was going to say a switch, but that's not really the right word. You can either turn it to be open or not turn it to be closed, all right? And then of course the all-important taste test. Oh my gosh, that's super delicious. I'm never buying salad dressing again. Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com. Join me, all right? Like my video, share my video, spread the word.